These types of videos are crashing all over the internet, and people are making thousands of dollars per month just by uploading VO3 generated content in the right niches. But here's the catch. The internet is flooded with niches, and about 90% of them won't make you a single penny. That's the truth no one tells you. So today, we're not just throwing around random ideas. We're diving deep into 10 real, profitable, and scalable AI content niches that are exploding right now. We'll also look at why these niches work and how you can get in early before the market becomes too saturated. Ready? Let's dive in. Niche 1. AI Animal Adventures. Animal content is internet royalty, but add a twist of imagination. A puppy flying through galaxies, a cat exploring a robot city, or a bunny diving deep into glowing underwater caves. And suddenly you've got content that people can't help but share. Animals are already relatable, emotional, and comforting. And when they're placed in unusual cinematic settings, it creates a kind of emotional fantasy escape that hits all the right notes. What makes this niche even stronger is its branding power. Once you create a character that audiences connect with, say a recurring AI pup or a heroic raccoon, it opens the door to storytelling, fan interaction, and merchandise. Plushies, posters, digital stories, or even collectible cards all become possible as your audience grows attached. Plus, this content travels across platforms effortlessly. TikTok, Shorts, Reels, Pinterest. It performs without language barriers and hits across all age groups. Pages like this are pulling thousands of dollars using this niche already, and there are endless ways to make one for you as well. Niche 2. Animated baby podcasts. If the internet taught us anything, it's this. Make a baby say something weird and it'll go viral. Baby podcast-style videos are exploding, and it's not hard to see why. Cute babies asking deep questions like, why do adults drink hot bean water every morning? It's universally funny. This niche taps into innocence, humor, and irony all at once. It's completely family-friendly, but also hits with teens and young adults who enjoy that wholesome absurdity. And what's powerful is the audience crossover. Parents, especially moms, engage heavily with this content. And this opens doors to affiliate links, brand collaborations, and even selling parenting or baby-related products. It also doesn't require long-form content. Just a few seconds of funny baby wisdom and you've got a viral short. Some of these creators are pulling in tens of thousands per month just from these clips. Niche 3. Travel AI Shorts. Not everyone can travel, but everyone wants to. That's why AI-generated travel content is booming. You can show people what it feels like to glide over an Icelandic volcano, walk through a floating Japanese village, or stand beneath glowing Arctic lights, and all without leaving your desk. This content feeds curiosity and wanderlust. People use it as screensavers, aesthetic mood boosters, or just dream fodder. And the more beautiful the visuals, the longer people stay. The longer they stay, the more the algorithm loves you. It's also extremely brandable. You can branch out into digital products like wallpaper packs, video loops, or even virtual travel experiences that people can buy. And with every video, you're building not just views, but a vibe. A sense of escape and serenity that's addictive to scroll through. Apart from that, you can make an AI influencer as well, whether it is a human or an animal. Here are some channels that make similar content. Niche 4. Satisfying visual ASMR. The satisfying niche is like the comfort food of content. It never goes out of style. Think slime pouring in slow motion, digital paint blending, glitter swirling through liquid, cubes falling into perfect slots. It's a visual meditation. No words, no noise, just bliss. These videos are easy to loop, meaning they can get played multiple times per view. That's massive for ad revenue and watch time. Also, this content appeals across borders, doesn't require narration or subtitles, and can be scaled quickly. It's also super compatible with product links, slime kits, fidget toys, art gadgets. All of it fits neatly into the affiliate funnel. Here are some channels that have been doing this for years, and some have started making AI ones replacing real objects, yet people can't differentiate between them. Niche 5. Miniature videos. Tiny things are inherently charming. When you combine miniature objects with cooking and storytelling, it becomes instantly watchable. There's something so addictive about seeing tiny cupcakes frosted in a dollhouse oven, or a mini bento box plated with chopsticks the size of matchsticks. Now imagine doing that with pop culture or AI crossovers, making a superhero-themed cake in a tiny fantasy kitchen, or recreating historical meals from different eras. This content becomes highly shareable, visually striking, and weirdly soothing. There's huge potential for product placements here too, baking kits, collectibles, toy cookware, and more. And other niches that are not as explored as can be many different miniature world niches. Here are some pages that are doing exactly the same. Niche 6. AI time-lapses. People are obsessed with transformation, and AI time-lapses give them exactly that. It could be a city evolving from ancient times to a cyberpunk future, or a person aging from childhood to old age in seconds. These videos hook attention immediately. They feed that curiosity about what was and what could be. They're also fantastic for reposting. A good time-lapse works as a YouTube short, an Instagram reel, a TikTok loop, and even a Pinterest GIF. It's multi-platform gold. Even better, they spark conversation. People love to debate the accuracy or leave comments imagining their own versions. Niche 7. Visualized history shorts. Let's be honest, most historical content is boring. It's textbook heavy, hard to picture, and feels distant. But when you recreate ancient cities, historical battles, or legendary events through AI visuals, suddenly the past feels real again. A bustling Egyptian marketplace, a Roman emperor's coronation, or the first moments of the Industrial Revolution, all rendered with cinematic flair, grab attention. This content does especially well with educational audiences, documentary lovers, and history buffs. It also gets rewatched and reshared in classrooms, forums, and explainer pages. You can even make POV videos of historical people. This content is also very trendy right now. Some creators in this space are pulling in massive engagement by pairing visuals with quick historical facts or dramatic narrations. Niche 8. Mind-blowing science explained. Science doesn't have to be boring, and the most successful creators in this niche are turning mind-blowing concepts into bite-sized visual wonders. Things like how black holes form, what happens during a supernova, how DNA replicates, or how thoughts travel through neurons. All made visual, cinematic, and easy to understand. This content hits two types of people, those who are genuinely curious and those who just like trippy, intelligent content in short doses. Either way, it performs incredibly well. Niche 9. Luxury visuals. Luxury sells, always has, always will. And in the AI space, luxury content isn't about flexing your own lifestyle. It's about designing digital ones people wish they had. It could be a fictional billionaire's wardrobe, an AI-generated mansion in Dubai, or a sequence showing what a $100 million yacht might look like inside. These visuals tap into aspiration and fantasy. They work incredibly well on platforms like Instagram and YouTube Shorts, and even better when paired with affiliate programs for high-ticket items, watches, designer decor, fragrances, or luxury gadgets. You can even repurpose them as digital art, wallpaper bundles, or story posts for influencer collabs. Niche 10. Wholesome animated stories. In a chaotic world, wholesome wins. These are the shorts that make you smile unexpectedly. A fox helping a grumpy badger, a lost robot finding home, a lonely star being found by a moon. It's soft storytelling paired with warm visuals and simple music, and it resonates deeply, especially with people looking for calm, kindness, and connection. This kind of content builds loyal audiences. It's niche, yes, but it has immense long-term potential. Viewers often return just to feel something peaceful, and that's the kind of emotional pull that turns followers into fans, and eventually into buyers or patrons. Creators in this space often branch out into merch, digital storybooks, Patreon exclusives, or even printables for kids and parents. These 10 niches are exploding, and most people are still sleeping on them. With Veo 3 making it easier than ever to produce high-quality cinematic AI video, you have a chance right now to grab the first mover advantage before it gets overcrowded. Let me know if you want a tutorial on how to use Veo 3. We'll make one if this video gets a good response. And if you want such information, first subscribe to the channel and press the notification icons. If you want to find more niches, check the video popping up on the screen.